Launched in 2015, Ethereum is a distributed computing platform, and a brainchild of Vitalik Buterin. Based on market capitalization, Ethereum is the second largest blockchain and cryptocurrency platform after Bitcoin. However, it is much more than ordinary cryptocurrencies, and is often called the world computer. Developers can build decentralized blockchain applications using Ethereum's open source code. These are called dApps. Instead of centralized servers, dApps run on globally distributed blockchain networks. Thus, they are censorship resistant. Using smart contracts, they can automate actions based on predefined conditions, without relying on third-party intermediaries. This also mitigates the problems of centralized governance. Another crucial aspect of Ethereum is the ERC20 token. Any developers with the required technical knowledge can create these tokens for their dApps. Ethereum's open source code makes it much simpler than building tokens from scratch. Ethereum's native crypto is called Ether, and is the fuel of the Ethereum platform.